3 cups flour, salt, and a tiny bit of yeast. Just whisk it together.
Add 1.5 cups warm water. Stir until you get a shaggy, sticky dough. Cover it. Walk away. Let it rest at room temperature for 12 to 18 hours. Yes, really.
Time to shape. Gently punch it down and fold it over itself. No kneading.
Onto a floured towel, seam side down. Cover and let it rise again for 1 to 2 hours. Put your Dutch oven in the cold oven. Preheat to 230 degrees Celsius. This creates the steam. Carefully drop the dough in. Cover and bake for 30 minutes. This traps the steam. Lid off. Now bake uncovered for 15 more minutes to get that epic golden crust. Listen to that music. That's the sound of perfect crust. Let it cool, then devour.